You subscribe. I know you subscribe to me. What? Jeez, bro, for real? Like, for real? Like, oh no, I hope no one comes on my stream again and then puts Russian letters in my chat.
Dude, that's probably a sex bot or something.
Dude.
Like, if they send you a link,
it's not a link, buddy.
And it's some girl that, like, is in a
oh
summer
no, that's happened to me. No, that's happened to me. In TikTok. I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah, they just freaking randomly.
I got 19. No, like, no, I swear in my messages, cause I followed everyone who followed me, and then I'm just getting a freaking text about this, like, yeah, maybe we should go out and get coffee for each other, and
remember when you got
maybe we should.
That weren't just
Oh yeah, I have some that I like that. Oh jeez, I lasered that mother. We are gonna go to Corner Castles. I'm loving it. We should do an intro next time, you know? I'm not gonna lie. It's kind of boring just starting a game and not even talking about, like, just randomly just talking like nothing happened.
Yo guys,
I'm not gonna lie.
Make sure to hit us up and we'll come to your house and we'll please you. Make sure to hit that sub. Donate $100. Give me your IP address. Give me your bank account.
Exactly. Streams be like, hey, welcome back to another video.
Because it really supports the channel.
Bro, exactly, bro. Like, people be like, everyone subscribe to the YouTube channel or else this spider will come up to your house and pull up with a gun.
Some people really be like, oh, you will have good.
You're gonna die if you come back over here, by the way. I'm actually gonna die. Are you dying now?
No.
Okay, good.
Life.
Who the freak? Someone just commented on my video. It creeped me out, bro. I got scared, bro. Something, it just dropped me. Oh, it's another Russian person. Oh, look at that. Look at that. I've literally predicted the future. Oh my god, I'm literally John Wick. Bro, these people are so annoying. Whoever, like, cause bro, they're over here spamming Russian.
Dude, stop spamming Russian things in the chat. We're American.
No, he already left. He just joined and he just put freaking Russian letters in my name.
That happened to me on my YouTube channel.
You're dead. Oh my god, get peace controlled. I'm gonna die.
All of this ammo?
You piece of butter.
I got like 2 bullets. From that.
I am a potato.
Wait, can you mine a tree that's on fire?
Oh look, it's a machine pistol. I'ma try it out. It's gray, but it's freaking golden. It's so golden.
Oh my gosh,
this is gonna be my new cringy, this is gonna be my new, intro. Welcome back to another video. Please subscribe and like to the channel, or else Fat Boy will come to your house and sniff your toes. That's gonna be my...
Dude, but no, dude, don't you hate those freaking,
Yeah, I'm not gonna lie, yeah, kind of. They're kind of wasting their time.
I haven't even said anything. You already just hate. But don't you hate it when freaking typical gamer, those cringy,
typical gamer,
kid-friendly, those cringy, kid-friendly. Oh,
hold on, wait, you know Nick830, right? You know how he was like, well, he's not really cringy, but I kind of like his videos. I'm not gonna lie.
Oh my gosh, will the like button turn blue or red? Check, do it and find out.
Well, how about shut the? Oh no! That's what you call, hey, kids. That's what you call arson. Arson. But I swear, soon I'm gonna get demonetized, bro. Soon I'm gonna get demonetized, all because of us.
You don't even make money. You have to get like 1,000 subscribers and like.
I don't care. I'm still gonna get demonetized. So are you saying I can just say weird stuff and not get demonetized?
Bro, I'm trying to get on this dude's freaking hole.
Oh, money. Oh, money.
I'm trying to get on top of the hole, bro.
What? What do you... This is why I hate you in my
Bro,
streams.
why can't I get on your hole? I don't
Because
know.
it's too big.
Why do you sound like a freaking? Why do you sound like a kid that has 1,000 earnings before you?
Because I don't.
Okay.
I'm so used to VR, bro. Yo, boys, whoever's watching this, I want you to comment your VR if you have a VR, brother. Cause I'm a 1v1, you wanna say gorilla tag, you're not gonna win for it.
Yeah, you're gonna get. Dude, that's.
Oh, yo, actually, I'm probably just gonna say, I'm just gonna, hold on, stream, I might be AFK, so listen to music. I'm gonna be right back.
Vanishes. Probably getting something. I don't know. Well, it's just me. Stream. Make sure you give me credit card information. Cause that really.
No, I'll do it after. I'm back. Oh, you know, I was just trying to do something.
Help me.
Is there another Spider-Man in another mythic? Oh, okay, they're coming towards us. They're coming towards us.
I see him. Alright,
Get your booty cheek absolutely lasered, bro. Oh, you wanna use that, huh? Oh, use it too. Yo, use it too. Yeah. You see, you like the feel? You like the feeling whenever you get actually freaking lasered, bro? That's what you get. But I actually didn't get lasered. I just got. You wanna know the feeling of you getting freaking spammed from a freaking SMG?
That's what you get.
Are you gonna take my freaking mythic like that? Oh, look at that. Look at that. That's so cool.
Oh, you're gonna take my freaking mythic like that? Oh, that's.
Here you go.
Alright, it's running it.
I already drank one.
This has 70. This has 70.
I never asked.
2 more. Let's go. Spider-Man mythic right there.
Dude, what about your other? You didn't have another one?
Man, I'm sorry for being a racist. I don't know why I randomly said that.
You're lucky. I'm gonna take this goji juice. Alright, I'm out. I'm leaving you. I'm out. I don't know if my comments are turned on. That's the thing. But if they are, I want people to comment what. No one's even gonna watch my video. But whoever does, I want you to give me an intro idea. Which no one will because they won't. Because no one said.
Siri recommendation.
No, you know, I'm out. I'm leaving. I'm gonna join Percy's match. No, I was kidding.
Bro, no.
Oh no! Oh no! I don't want to get. Okay, that's where you actually get demonetized. No, I'm serious. You do not want to see his friends.
His friends are freaking.
No, they're on something, bro. They're on something. It's definitely not crack or cocaine. I swear it's not.
On G Fuel, bro.
No, it's not even G Fuel either. It's way more freaking worse than that, brother. Bro, people, dude, let's just wait and let's just wait. No,
People.
Oh, I just missed every single shot. I just missed every single shot. I just threw a freaking sticky bomb. You can't do anything about it, boy. OGC, run. Go get him. It worked. Let's go. It worked. Oh, Dwayne The Rock Johnson is still alive. Let's kill him.
The Rock guy.
Oh, jeez, guys. Oh, I'm gonna die. Oh, I'm literally gonna die. Oh, I'm gonna die. Oh, GC, help me. I'm gonna die. Oh my god, I told you 50 times I'm gonna
What the
die! Grab my dead body and run! Grab my dead body and run! Grab my dead body and run! Get my dead body, run!
I need you to die quicker.
No! No, bro, I need my loot back! Here, just run away far and then come back, cause they're gonna forget about you. Just run away far and then come. If you think I'm racist, I did not say it. I said Big Poppy. Oh my god. Can you get my purple? Can I get my SMG? Can I?
No, I have no space. I have no inventory.
Just go to the rebuild, man.
Bro, if there's no reboot vans around, I'm.
Yo, give me the SMG, bro. I need you to give me the SMG.
Oh, and then there's a car, bro. If it's the. Oh my.
Just run. Don't shoot them.
Are they really about to do a drive-by? You know what? Let's ruin their day.
Yo, you mind rebooting me so you actually can? Oh my god. Oh my god, we're gonna die because of you.
Spider-Man.
I don't care. We're gonna die because of you. And it's gonna be specifically your own fault. Look at that! Look at that! You're gonna get lasered. Cause that's why it's a duo! It's all your fault! It's duos! It's not solos!
I thought I could class them.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
That was gonna be a shaky game anyway. Dude, don't freaking fight the way Don't do it ever again. Then we're just gonna get clapped. I'm just gonna get. Everybody hit.
I'm gonna invite Percy.
I'm gonna go some chips.
That boy there. You guys are lucky. I want chips. I'm gonna invite Percy. Oh, of course. He wants to get off as soon as I want to play. Diana.
I'm back.
This is the flip and the blah blah blah.
What do you want to do?
Habba dabba 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 got bye. I did a bye bye. West Coaster. Ammo side.
Alright, what do you want to do, Loki?
I for real don't know. I for real don't know.
Wanna what?
I say I for real don't know.
Oh, battle up.
Hell no.
Please battle I know a glitch. I actually know how to do the glitch, bro.
I don't care. I don't care.
Oh, please.
I don't care. I don't care. I don't care.
You don't even know what to play, so why not?
I don't care. I don't care. I don't care. I don't care. Don't care.
Don't scream. This guy is gay.
Oh, don't care. I don't care. Don't care. Oh, you call me gay, huh? I don't care. I don't care. I don't care.
I don't care about you.
Care. I don't care. Bro, apparently in my state there are ripped off talkies, and all my classmates say that they're better, and they're like they can be sold in the freaking dollar store too.
Wait a minute. What? What, Ken?
Apparently, ripped off talkies are actually better than
No, they're not. They're not.
better, dude. I know
They're
that's
lying,
what I'm
lying.
saying.
Just know that they're lying. There's no that they're
I'm
lying.
gonna try them. Whenever I go to the store, I'm gonna try them. I'm gonna find and try them. You know, I'm gonna eat some cranberries that have Seymour on them.
No, honestly, they're lying, bro.
There's no way.
If there's any, bro, we're not playing Shields, bro.
No, you said I'm gay.
No. What?
So you deserve.
Today's opposite day.
No, I don't care. You said. Oh, so today's opposite. Oh, so instead of trios, yeah, we can just do squads, which is even better.
No, you already know. Once they hear our voices, they're just gonna leave. But alright.
You're like, hey yo, what's up? Leave. Oh, cranberries! I found my cranberries. Cranberries. Yeah.
Want white cranberry? Right, cranberry.
But I'm finna put these cranberries in a Sprite and drink them.
Absolutely. Nope, them today.
This is absolutely disgusting. We're gonna have to go to game chat. I don't care what you say, we're gonna go to game chat.
Oh!
Or else I'm gonna kick you out. I'm never gonna play with you again. Oh, these cranberries are buzzing. Hello, buddy.
He's cheated?
Cranberries buzzing. I feel like these people are in a party. I'm not gonna lie.
Huh? Yeah,
I-
they don't have lights.
Are you in a party?
Yeah,
Hello?
sure. Hi.
Oh my god, I didn't expect a freaking corpse voice.
Hello?
Jesus Christ, yeah.
Hey, bro.
Hold up, be right back. I go to game chat, they have a mic.
Oh my god, bitch.
No,
bro.
go fight.
Shut the fuck up.
No, you.
Yeah, shut the
You're
fuck
bad.
up. Nasty ass bitch.
I like
ass
man.
boy, look at your skin.
I like men.
Alright, you know, I'm ending this.